In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Notion page to another workspace easily and efficiently. Whether you're organizing your projects or planning a big move from one workspace to another, this guide will help you do it without any hassle. So let's dive right in. To begin with, open Notion and select the page that you want to copy to another workspace. This is your starting point, where all the magic begins. Once you have your page open, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see the Share button. Clicking on this will open up a plethora of options designed to enable collaboration and sharing. Here, we'll choose to click on Publish. You might see a confirmation prompt asking you if you're sure you want to publish. Go ahead and confirm that. By publishing the page, you're essentially creating a version that can be accessed via a direct link, making it easier to move between workspaces. Once published, you'll need to copy the link. Keep in mind that this step is crucial, as it serves as the connective fiber between your existing workspace setup and where you're intending to copy the page. Make sure the link is safely copied to your clipboard. You'll need it shortly. Next, click on your workspace name, usually found at the top of the sidebar in Notion. This is where you can easily access any other workspace you have set up. Select the workspace to which you'd like to copy the page. This is where your organization skills really shine, and where your copied page will soon find its new home. Once you're inside the desired workspace, you'll paste the link into the Google search bar or directly into a new tab in your browser. This step is essential since it allows you to bring in the content from the link you previously copied. With the page loaded, you should see a To box or duplicate logo, likely somewhere on the top menu or toolbar. Click on this to initiate the duplication process. Finally, go ahead and click on Add. This action integrates the duplicated page into the current workspace, making all your content and layouts available right where you need them. And that's it. You've now successfully copied a Notion page from one workspace to another, giving you maximum flexibility and control over your project management. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work in Notion more efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.